He's got you around that log a bit. Stand on the log.
Oh, I can't stand on it. You're not getting away this easy.
Hang on. Just be silly. I've got to be sensible. Just hold. You've got to get over that other side, darling. Hang on, I'll hold it for you. You let go.
But then you'll get away. I
You won't get away.
On the other side.
You won't get away. You've got to get over on that bank down there because you can't get around the sticks. Go up there. You've got to get him out of these sticks. Oh, he's gone under that stick. That's how it's done, girlfriend. That scare you?
But it's so steep, I can't stand it.
Hang on. Nah, come back around here and I'll get him off this log for you. Oh. Go out. Ooh. Got to get him around that little stick. Yes, go out there. Here we go. Here we go, darling. You got him out. You got to get over there. Go right over, down, skid down, quick. You got him in open water now. That's it.